Life on Earth began in the depths of the ocean. The oceans are home to millions of Earth's plants and animals, from tiny single-celled organisms to the gargantuan blue whale, the planet's largest living animal. Humans depend on these steaming waters for comfort and survival, but global warming and overfishing threaten Earth's largest habitat. We are slowly turning the oceans into pools of plastic, and the microplastics are entering our food chain, ultimately harming us. It's said that what you put in the ocean, you put that inside you. Alas, we are hardly doing anything about it. This video is inspired by the current conditions of the oceans. On one side, I have tried to show our beautiful blue oceans, and on the other side, I have shown polluted and dying ocean. Beginning with the tutorial, I am drawing an outline of a wave around my eyes and filling my eyebrows with some glue and setting it with some loose powder. Next, I am priming my eyelids with some concealer, and I will also set it with some loose powder. I am stamping some purple eyeshadow just above my crease. I am not dragging the color, I am stamping the color to get the maximum amount of payoff. I am trying to blend the color, but I am not blending it completely because I will overlay with some other colors. I am stamping blue eyeshadow just below the previous color. Again, I am not dragging it, I am not blending it, I am just stamping it to get the maximum amount of pigmentation on my outer corners as well. Cleaning up the eyelid space where I want to do a half cut crease with a Q-tip and some micellar water. And applying concealer to prime my lid again, and I will also set it with some loose powder. Next, I'm using a flat brush to stamp on some light shimmery blue color. I'm also using the deep blue color that I earlier used to blend the cut crease with the outer corner. I'm taking a blending brush and softening out the edges. It doesn't look perfect right now, but it will be. Stamping some blue aqua color in my inner corners, and also filling that wave pattern that I created. I will fill it with some blue gel eyeliner later. Cleaning up the mistakes and fallouts with some Q-tip and micellar water. I'm filling that wave pattern with some blue gel eyeliner. Applying white kajal onto my waterline. Using that same white kajal to draw another wave pattern on the other side, like the bad side or the polluted ocean side. Applying some brown eyeshadow on the other side, and again doing the same steps that I did earlier. Yeah, that was weird. I'm filling with some green, dirty, mossy colors to show the pollution, kind of trying to mimic the color of pollution maybe. Priming my skin for the foundation and the other steps that are going to come. Stamping it with a beauty blender. Next, I'm concealing the under eyes and also blending it, and will set it with some loose powder. I'm trying to mimic the shape of contour with some blue eyeshadow and stamping some white paint, trying to mimic the waves. On the other side, I'm using some deep brown gel eyeliner to do my contouring, And again I'm stamping some colors, trying to mimic the polluted waters. Contouring my nose, the good side of the nose with some blue eyeshadow, and the bad side or the polluted side with some mossy green brown eyeshadow. Filling my brows with the same color and deepening the nose contour, doing the same thing on both sides. Next I'm drawing some fish scales. It doesn't look perfect, I know, with some blue gel eyeliner. I had to wear my specs because I am half blind almost. And trying to give some shade. On the other side as well, I'm doing it with some brown eyeliner and shading it with some deeper color. I'm filling the good side of my lips with blue lipstick. Here I'm trying to mimic the waves again. You can see I have stamped color on this sponge and using that to mimic the shape of the waves, the foams, everything that belongs to the sea. Next I'm taking NYX's Full Throttle lipstick in Corn Artist and filling the other side. I'm gluing some starfish that I made out of plasticine clay, trying to again feature some sea creatures on the beautiful side of the ocean. I am gluing a turtle. I'm trying to show how turtles are facing problems. I put eyelashes, and this is how it looks after putting the eyelashes on. Next, my favorite part, I am applying glitter all over wherever I want to, especially on the highlighted areas. On my eyelids as well. Now that's the finished look, and I have also put on a crown made out of seashells that I will show in some time. That's the finished look, by the way. This is the crown that I made. I just glued some seashells and supported the backside with some cardboard using a glue gun, of course. And that's it. I have tried to do my best, and this is also my entry for the NYX Face Awards 2019. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.